classroom experiment sparked Ruchi Dave's journey from teacher to forest officer. As a school teacher, she introduced students to conservation through hands-on activities like observing caterpillars and studying biodiversity. These experiences deepened her connection with nature. After 12 years in education, she joined the Gujarat Forest Department in 2016. Now, as an Assistant Conservator of Forests in Dharampur, she leads impactful conservation efforts. Her latest contribution, Aapna Patangiya or Our Butterflies, is a 424-page Gujarati guide featuring over 700 images.
અને દરેક પતંગિયાની પોતાની એક અલગ દુનિયા છે અને એની દરેકની કંઈક અલગ રસપ્રદ વસ્તુઓ પણ અમને જાણવા મળી. તો આ બધી જ વસ્તુઓ પહોંચાડવાના માધ્યમ તરીકે અમે ગુજરાતીમાં આપણા પતંગિયા છે એ લખ્યું.
One of Ruchi Dave's most notable achievements is the creation of Arogya a medicinal plant garden at the Statue of Unity. She played a key role in developing this along with a state-of-the-art butterfly garden that has drawn thousands of visitors worldwide, including Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The project's success caught the attention of then President Ramnath Kovind, whose office requested the state government to assign an officer involved in Arogya development to a similar project at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The government recommended Dave, leading to the creation of the 6-acre Arogya Vanam, inaugurated in 2022, promoting medicinal plants and Ayurvedic traditions.
તત્કાલીન રાષ્ટ્રપતિ સાહેબે એમને જ્યારે એવું થયું કે ભાઈ આ થીમ ઉપર એ જે ગાર્ડન છે એવું રાષ્ટ્રપતિ ભવનમાં પણ થાય, ત્યારે ગુજરાત સરકાર દ્વારા એ જવાબદારી મને સોંપવામાં આવી હતી.
Dave's journey from teacher to forest officer is a testament to how passion, expertise and community engagement can drive real change. As she continues her work, she remains a beacon of hope for conservation in Gujarat and beyond.